PC is here. Let's cut it. So guys, this is the final build. The PC that we have right now, we got it from Elite Hubs. So it's quite a budget friendly PC, I would say. So it's under 40k, and this is the processor that we used, the AMD Ryzen 500 series GT. So it's 550 GT, and this is the motherboard. It's B450MK. It's a basic, the processor that you can start gaming with. So it's a very basic one, and this is like a very basic PSU. So we'll have to upgrade it once we add the GPU over here. So here you can see like there's just a single RAM slot, 8GB RAM that we have used for our motherboard, and the GPU is also missing. So we'll have to add an additional GPU and a RAM, and also a liquid cooler if we are having like a high-end processor GPU in future. So it's quite like a basic build that we have right now, quite in the budget, and later on we'll have to upgrade it in the future. We'll save money and we'll build up this gaming PC that we have right now. It's quite like a budget friendly one, and later on, yeah, we'll upgrade it. So you guys can tell me, how did you find this PC build, and do comment your views on it. And so now is the moment of truth, guys. Let's see if my PC build starts or not. Fingers crossed. So to conclude the video here, guys, we have the final PC built over here. So we are using the same PC with the specs that we used, under 40k actually, and additionally we are using our TV as a display screen, and we have the eSports gaming keyboard that I bought from Amazon, along with I'm using the Zebronics gaming mouse that I already had, that I used to use with my Victor's laptop over here. So that's all for today, guys. If you like our video, do give it a like and subscribe our channel if you found this video helpful, and let's see what additional like upgrades we can add to our PC over here, and yeah, let's see in future. Fingers crossed. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Do give it a like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.